Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into succeed. 6 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Usurp, which means supplant. Usurp. For example, the Hanoverian dynasty had usurped the Stuarts. Number 2. Replace, which means fill the role of someone or something with a substitute. Replace. For example, the government dismissed 3,000 of its customs inspectors, replacing them with new recruits. Number 3. Displace, which means take over the place, position, or role of. Displace. For example, fuel crops must not displace food crops. Number 4. Supersede, which means take the place of a person or thing previously in authority or use. Supersede. For example, the older models of car have now been superseded. Number 5. Supplant, which means supersede and replace. Supplant. For example, he was asking the man he supplanted as Prime Minister for help. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Furthermore, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.